Hello everybody, welcome back to my another English video. Right now, as you can see, I'm practicing my English speaking. First of all, I wanna know you. Please let me know in the comment section how have you been? How have you been everything? Please let me know in the comment section. Right now, I would like to share you some thoughts from my mind, and I wanna make some sentences in English. Okay, so right now, first of all, I can say, first of all, I wanna say you, I am not teacher. Okay, I'm not teacher. I am a learner, and right now I am in a learning process. I am in a learning journey. Okay, I am yet to speak English fluently. I'm yet to speak English fluently. I'm hardly speak English. I'm hardly speak English. Okay, so it's nothing to fear, and I don't scared about this matter. Okay, you don't scared about this matter. Okay, just start your speaking journey and speak up. You have to practice daily if you wanna improve your English level, if you wanna remove your shyness from your mouth, and if you wanna remove your other lackings. If you want to practice, you have to practice every day, every situation you must practice. Okay, out loud, you must practice out loud. Like me, when I get available time and free time, I try to practice with myself in front of my camera. So this is how I'm practicing my English speaking. This is how i I improve my English speaking level day by day, sooner or later. Right now, I'm not yet to good English speaker, and I'm not yet to speak English fluently, but I believe that sooner or later I will be able to a good English speaker, and sooner or later you will be able to a good English speaker if you wanna practice every day, if you wanna keep consistency. If you wanna improve your English level, you have to keep consistency every day, and you have to practice daily. You have to practice every situation. So don't delay. Start your speaking journey from now. I don't want to make it much longer. It's evening time, so I wanna go toward the Moscow, so that right now I wanna hang up my video. So right now I don't wanna make it much longer. Have a good day. See you soon. See you next one video. Okay, bye bye.